Mema Obibi Akwaba Eba GC News. Hot news all time. Latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. A year a branch here, more office of the president. Masasu MPP communicator, a year miracle. Aboagye Ninsamo with the 2 jar bro with the Sefa Kayi. Ukushia opise for ne Sefa Kayi Frimpong our chest on the and found or no, the Bema Obinya power 2 million a year. Na aye bobe ansa ono so react to nsem no atutu bi e de amane aye sa branch we amane de nsem dodo na ara na atubia na ansa na ye beko nsem ni mu message se wunya subscribe to the channel na message over subscribe o click subscribe button no na wabele aye notification no we nsa video fufuru bia e be upload no so wonsa e be ka bi afewia na wa like video no o my thumbs up na fe wa share ama ofufuro so enye bi ahwe afi yanko ensebinimu eye MPP abranche baako aye friend eye miracle Aboagye no de ensebi atubia abra kohyia wo Sefa Kayi program so a o totona no kubudie ekoso a wo chese ono de party or politician on de tubi no hia wo ti de obeya ma wo fa so be mo sika de obeya ma wo beto abama no eno na hia no na sansem no de tubia no eye September baako eye bobi ansa nsem no anya de amana tubi de amana eye abranche bi na wo chese ka wo ne Sefa Kayi a ese ko papa abranche we so ko no be so refi microphone ti abe pai na ni so amana wo ne nsem a wo ka no basi ye hwe adwen da eye abranche we etrim see ya o chese wo new development say ye mputuduma bi ama ne manfo da bi kwan obefa so bi nya tubi no de din nsem no de Yɛ Kwasia Paa eno na wane adwen ho na wo de nsem dodo na ara na etubia na ye nsem re no ekoti ensem a ye obi ansa editubia efa ye miracle Aboagye ne nsem a wo kokan ye ewo Peace FM nti ensem a ye obi editubia.
Some of us, we are not bootlickers, we are not sycophants, we are not hypocrites. They should get it right. When A+ started talking about MPP, what is that? And yama omo awie nyina wo MPP mu no A+ 7 years ni wawu. Onto. Enye omo no manu agu ase. Enye no omo bo opposition. Omo bo opposition abeto A+ wo street mu. Sa na beto omo. Aya and this crowd omo de na omo 4 years. John 4 years old. You have 4 years and you need to plan after the 4 years. Within that 4 years, na ka chere say the Akufo Addo num ye sa na be ye no a. And I trust JM. I'll sit here this afternoon and say, me J John Mahamadi, me know personally, me know obi ahia eye me sunsum na kire me. I met Akufo Addo one-on-one and sana me hia John Mahama. Na my boss empire from foforo. Ada me bedru ya ni be 3 days. Me ni Ada me ni Akufo Addo hia no. I never liked his spirit. I never. Any pa me ne kwa ye free one na me catch and say, you know what? Me hu ade bi. Also, kwamra de wa ye oni agbefu adi agro sa no ada ne ho a friend say no. I've seen something. This man obeba be ma on my way troubles. And that is where I started sounding the alarming bell like, hey, don't give Akufo Addo a chance. Obeba be high. I met John Mahama the first day I'm in this year and I felt like, oh, this is a good man with a good spirit. So, mi ojidie say o mama ye abonefo semwa we no mu edi no. And mi ojidie that omo ebe ya adwuma no nyina no, they will do the right thing to protect Ghana. I'm very passionate about this country. When it comes to Ghana, no, do the right thing. So when you seek our kwampaso and you share because omaya yentimi creative wealth and your mind. But when you want to suppress people, like what is going on, our Ada salt songo, your friends say between my own brother Magdan and Ada people, Omaya dear to say Ghana a domestic airlines ha a ya betim dia bibi anya sika ya dia my individual be say on gino on one nebusian phone. When you do that, I have a problem about.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
But I know my sika. They say Anderson, Bank of Ghana, Anderson will be punished severely. A bear on in the bush and phone one. Because the kind of documents a man for gather on him, no. Addison, a bayan one. Because Jomama no failure, and Mranti be face mu squarely. I was street to say, we are people near where we are there, ultimate secret. Even restaurant, people will rush you. A man for the boss. Send the Anama Ukra bodyguards who lose power. Now be who. Nkwadaba rasu abu restaurants said you book from for. So keep on stealing, keep on gathering. Monsesa, and let me say this: Adia Yameya, a ya Miss Ghana for someone coming home and can was him. Ghana Sikaya Yanina, Ewa sorry them mosque, and a ye a him fee. Ghana Skamu Yanina. Politicians we sika. All those monies, I sorry them, mosque, Masalachi, and I am fear. Ghana's come where we are now. Ubako to be, scanning because Pentecost, I saw them, Methodist, Anglican, Presby, Roman, Danka Williams, Dominion, Jasare, Biame Pape, oh. Baby, you're sorry. Royal House. A blue ho. That reward on the end. I am appear home. Up. Sikaya, you are Ghana, you are your banks, you are your offices, ministries. I was sorry them. Yes, it's there. They buy cars for the pastors, they buy houses, lands, land cruisers. Yes, it's with them. Akwalanya Jumada, Wababe the deputy minister, Obi your hene. Na akwalana to a friend say land cruiser and now proud of Bechano. O Musana say, hey, now deputy minister, you need 2 years now. Salary, yes, say, but so may what just say. Say now, Oji, yeah, I feel pay what me to land cruiser and answer V8 at the Abechami. O Musa, you be boja, nana ne friend to ma, na go digu gunensa. Yes, honorable Kwashe call one ebano. What the money we are, what Nako said them, no what in Sami and was sinapumu, then I Ediana for and send ye Etiporipo and send ye a comfort shoko and send ye Monanay. What bottom home or day? Okay, Munyan at Tijinapa. No, San Fabiumra, says Uncle Bokrono for France, Imra. Into a man sika a month for a year. Ubako to be a wotobe feda him fie a gamancha him fie otun for him fie a friend say nairi a him fie your friend say yanu kra dia doma miame papa doma hin kra bi ko so no mo ko che na de o mo ko che no odwan ne niam kakra kramofo no so onwo aba mu no so fo mo dia nom do mo ni a kire masarachi o mo na to na ntwi akase ko wiya sika no akoyi sraha wonzongo hwamkwasi asem ko wiya sika no akoyi sraha wonzongo. And I was talking about the civil servants. They were
watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Other countries
are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Politicians ne wasika. So civil servants. And now meka yasi boy be a friend of a miracle. Or they say miracle so na boy not to say or boy not to say miracle what? Aboagye. Okay. All right. Good. So you got here our piece of FM no. All right, so you got here no answer. Maybe I muntie miracle Aboagye. A video. So baby I will be no wait me Kingsley because you say partners in crime. These traditional leaders. Yes. me see Ghana ska mu wi na wo
piece of police station na me ba ha na chairman do na wo so pay we friend say private jet na me tumi enya ma me be ma ho na ma ji vote now who necessarily will take a decision no
Nigeria no need vote by
who will complain about vote buying now it should go to the voter not me the politician obviously me one day me am a political party my national me kwatoaba me a politician no me be toaba na me piece of me police station na me ba ha na chairman do na wo so pay we friend say private jet na me tumi enya ma me be ma ho na ma ji vote now who necessarily will take a decision no
Nigeria no need vote by
who will complain about vote buying now it should go to the voter not me the politician obviously me one day me am a political party my job is to win an election what are you talking about I have come to you to come and tell you say vote for me I'll fix your road o say me pay o ma me 500 cedis am to ma me here dey say me wa me be ma what are you talking about na say vote buy issue no kra me say am entias here
now say yes
who did we buy
yes what to be arguing
why they take a decision
not so straight remember atiefo mo wasema na manu gusu ameka we nke say Sefa Kayi sorry free microphone na chi ko hwi na sum man say police for be che Sefa Kayi kran komo nche no ke so sorry free microphone me am sorry free microphone na chi aba hwi wasum so Yɛ Kwasia Paa so to be bie wa no ka sometimes jinjan but oya adwuma Jubilee House that is what say no ma kire no the definition of who a politician is. That a politician, a human say, a quite be over for so we need a election be so fast. So if there is no development, he doesn't care. If there is no development, he doesn't care. This is the guy. And listen to me. Say guy way. What you have got trust? I know me can want some. This is the kind of orientation. Jubilee House. Akufo Addo is a thief, a criminal. And Oma Kachran Kwadane say, look, Ghana need here development. The Ghana need here. Aye say, man bibi kakra win elections. Criminal organization. I've been saying this. The UP tradition is a criminal organization. They are criminals. They are criminals. Share akwala ketwa we ya all share politics ase. Share adwene woni trim. Share adwene share boni e woni trim. We wo na fofo, we wo kwaware obi ba. Kwasi ase enu afo obi ba ne na wo. Shaboni woni trim shaboni boni we obenyina be ye MPP General Secretary National Organizer be tran ye so be haye. And that is why places like Mali and those places near basa koso no we oba be ye party no pani aba be hani pa adwene or be haye nchirima we obenyini and obi eso bia ka kire ne ma say this guy is a criminal we obenyina ba be haye ma adwene satani ye bobon kokora wuko or be haye ma adwene kwa. And that is the kind of breed Akufo Addo breed you into the system. Or Jenny kind. 78 years. Yes, she from Opare, she the age. She be anu of Kandapa age. And on this note, Mamenka amount for say military na take over national security. Oh yes. Oma withdraw police for you now. Okwa a military for nkwa na say amikowura ho. Okwa military for nkwa na national security wo. Obi anima de cro, we don't know why. Military for na take over. Our national security wo. Sa national security military for ni bi na Gabi do omo ba kushia no.
You are watching JC News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching JC News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Na mesre sa amrante no mu di Gabi akiri say mo ya professionals mo nhwa so nyamu adwuma and this impenfo wo mo pictures o and e bia na mo because Gabi ni aban mu udi na chi a aban ni gu a o ma ban wi a and this for beba beto you want to work with the NDC amanfo wo mo pictures just e bia aban NDC ba na mo adwane now anasa mo resign but mo nyamu professional work. Abain bow, abain ko. You are there. With your salary. Now no, you don't know ma. Now mo didi. Simple. Don't follow this Gabio, this useless boy or more brother. Don't follow him. Abai sikana wanya and was so wabobra or more brother. Only a track record. A man for home pictures. Me my pictures ni bia. Man for home pictures near the Adam woku siena bia to be near show mu pictures no. Omo pick up omo de buy omo gina ho near the ade ye hwedin. Well, if they are not military men, normally a party a foot military for aban sisa, we will check them in the system. We'll be about how much kwai. So you're ready, don't worry. But my point is say, omo mainstream members, national security, military, you also your juma. Be fair to everybody, and you are okay. Obia no ni asem. No answer on na mo baby. If we are saying unko kan obi mra me kan. Sabita frache. Yes 64 battalion 4 82 80 and there omo way. Ye na ese mo disua nyansa. Kofo ba ye binom dwane ye kwatran neighboring countries omo antumi amabi omo wu ka ho. Is that what you want your life to be? Well, so my point is that this is Aboagye. And you love so Obama Obechen hometown ni 50 cities no akoto Abama MPP. Wa ekwaya ye de kɔ ni kurom. Asai. Obe prefer no ya, Fabra. Say the latte rose asiaye. Hwe? Latte rose ni. Me trout latte rose. On the latte rose aye. Ekwaya otra manfe ekropon. Meboa. Basa ko twam ekropon ansa. Unu ekropon. Okay. So this latter road. We kura nipa no teka mu o. Senka ogina ho a osifom na nka ohunu potholes ni yia we or driving nipa na drive no. Nipa na drive o. Latter roads. Look at it. Bad, horrible. And all that guy in free. Me free Asante Mampong. I'll prefer say me kro no be fe. I'll prefer say adwuma beba me kro ma member bunu nya bia ye. Chen say me kwa kwachi 50 cedis. Even if that is what they want, I will tell them say e better say development beba ekrom ha. Chen say e better 50 cedis. Educate the people. Hwe latte. Ni kro kwa ni. That foolish boy. Ote Yadeneko Oni Akufo Addo no Jubilee House. He's learning from Akufo Addo, he's learning from Bawumia. He's learning from Osafo Mafo. He's learning from Frimpong-Boateng. He's learning from a friend is Santibedi Atuo. He's learning from Kenoforiata. He's learning from them. Who told you, sir? Oman for no, 50 cities, 100 cities, no money, John. Who told you? It's okay. So, latter for. So, you're Latini now, Temia. Yes, a boy be your friend, Miracle Safo, Miracle what? Aboagye. Ofrimukrom. Now, say, boy, you know. Or say, more latter for. All that you need is 50 cities. To go and vote. You're not a mopa on the oba or the bad mammo. Monye. Yeah. Akolawe Esia Bonnet between a war politician on a man for no. Who should do the right thing? Now, guys, 100 cities need 200 no man for pay. Kwame, say 100 cities need 200 no man for pay. Kagas omo to abetiamo ewo Assin North. They took the money, but they were talking about development. They took the money all right, but they were talking about development. Kennedy Agyapong kase MPP ni ejimia.
You are watching JC News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Kennedy Agyapong kase MPP ni ejimia
on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Say nipa wa se atare MPP ni wa jimi nyansa eni ni trim. Kennedy Agyapong kae no na amafo ka se Kennedy na anoya You went to Assin North. You gave them money. They took the money. They chopped it. And later told you, say, look, and you're wearing here. Okotra, a piece of a was a semibana 200, 850 Ghana, and you have the man what to Obama, may political power. You see how foolish they are. Very stupid boys. Kwasia say, now you tell me tax. Near your Trianica. Bastard say, near yate me tax. Near the Tria America, Aboagye wine, near the Trianica. No, they are called to you near my mamma and the papedi. How? How? You went to Assin North. You gave them that 50 cedis. 200,000. Woman the Bejna on Tim Plan, Chira was say, and ye no na ye here puntuo. And Tiscano, ye di, a sika. Ghana for our almost Jiscan, son of Matuabano, and ye no mo. But Oma will say, Omo Joe, one more you, yes, cano, on fine baby papa bia. Where your presidential staffer? Boy, when Akufo Addo nya kromfo anka ese boy we ko yi na di. Se Akufo Addo nya kromfo a ni parents anteten se kromfo a ese boy we nke o mo yi na di. Every Jubilee house wo ene ya. Ese nko mo yi na di. Identity akwa we ese otan odi me tax. How? Me tia kasa 4 hours. Me twa de ni ate tax. Ye wia ne ye de atua we ka. No de bia to aduane ko ni fie. Ene ne maame ne papa no akodi. How? The point is say omu ni any intention to develop the country. Uni say 2020 sika and omu de to election no. Yes. Into almost say look, if you have money you can do everything. Almost say if you have money you can do everything. E wo we say. So they don't care. They have lost their conscience. At the moment, lose that conscience. Lose it. They can't think straight. Tell the youth, say they impuntuo and they win elections, and they will follow you. Ghana for nya Jimmy for. Omo pe impuntuo. Ebi ana Jimmy for amoya Ghana for no MPP mu. This uncle been to me Kojira Kumewunka say the MPP ni here a t-shirt, money t-shirt, and no. So nyansuo nom, so nya adwumaye, so nya adwumanye, we sika kwa kam, ewo your friends a bank say ya gunuo. Was me MPP ni. Ade ya me asantini. Ya ni ekroma santifo no, sometimes omasem kan ya na ya. Ya na ya. Me say some of us ye hwe no mu see a bedroom point here. Agbefo betnya to aba etia NDC. Na sanfo betnya to aba etia MPP. Politicians will set up. When we get to that level, they will set up that hey, 2016 me bomb say my voter region for omo yi bibi kitua bia di echere NDC. Yeah. Me ma sue nyansa. Say so amount for hwempuntuo development. CSA community maye. And who here say that is the reason why abrochire ye, and I keep on saying I've never said this abrochire ye. But say obi say me kwa hwa abrochire next week. 1 week asiaba me ko hwa abrochire adekro na me ko hwa no won me pese me hu bi wo me krom. So I want to stay and fight.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Hot news all
time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I'll hand over the baton to my kids. Don't go and stay outside. Stay here and fight. Stay here and battle it out. Hana ye kro, hana ye man, hana me ma me papa wo me to ye. I ha na me we ye, and na me nante ye di nyini ye. Me nko ba bia. I will stay here and battle it out. I'll stay here and fight. If I don't win today, my next generations will come and win it. Enti because of a trimodenia ye mo unity. Hwede Akufo Addo ye nkrofo ma. I don't want to talk about the bondholders.
Yo, it for winning and somewhere yeah we be answer edit to the miracle Aboagye in some of boka obi sefem. So no dey kwa dey obefa so a obi nya tumi and nya no or politician. And found on the muska ama wato abama na nya pududuma ne ade a be wo na inde ehia one day we hia ne say eye tumi. Because juicy no so and now we so we nya subscribe ya message say obe subscribe no like it na wa share video no. Also betimi akire wadwen afa same way nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti menka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.